Today we're going to show you how to install a Black King Q-tip. First you want to sand the back side that says glue. Make sure that the word glue is completely sanded off. Then apply a drop of glue to the tip itself. And we'll get it centered as best as we can. Put some pressure on it for about 20 or 30 seconds. And then I like to use a brand new razor blade for trimming these. And I found that just a drop of water on it helps it cut much easier. And the tip cuts off in nice ribbon. It's a good solid piece of leather. Once we have it flush with the ferrule, then take a sharp blade to cut the radius. Then I'll increase the speed on the lathe a little bit, and I use a very thin strip of sandpaper so I don't touch the ferrule. This is 400 grit sandpaper. Then I do the same thing with a piece of 600. And then a piece of 1000. And then finally a piece of 2000. And with the 2000 I'll go across the ferrule lightly just to make sure that there's no glue residue. And then I like to apply just a tiny drop of polishing compound. This will help clean the ferrule and burnish the tip. And don't put too much pressure because you don't want to heat up the leather on the tip. And then I'll put the finishing touch with a shaper that we also make, because that'll make a nice perfect dime radius every time. And there you go. Stay tuned for more videos from Black King Tips.